Do you give us grief from the airliner?
We get the schedule landing on 26 and departing on the 8th. If we can.
Just for the more on trip.
Yeah, and the airport company announced us to do last night, and I think it's still the same pilot. Last night he turned a light west south-westerly 5 knots, and he would have been expecting to come in on 26, but he was given 18 because I had 2 in the circuit.